Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you today how to get that glowy eyeshadow that you have always loved. Almost everybody likes a sparkling one or two, okay? And I'll be dropping the links of how I got to this stage. I'll be dropping the links from the foundation to the concealer placement and all that. I'll drop the links in the description box. Guys, if you have been struggling or you have been wondering how to get that glowy eyeshadow look, you have been wondering how to do your very matte eyeshadow, then this video is for you. Don't go anywhere and don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Don't keep this to yourself because this video is very detailed. Anybody can learn, and these are for beginners. It's beginner friendly, okay? I made sure that I explained everything I was doing in detail. Some persons were asking me, how do I know how to get my exact foundation color, what foundation is good for me? Go and watch the last videos, the two last videos I dropped before this one, okay? Stay tuned. Yeah, this one called reverse contour. If you want to have that snatched look, and it depends on the face shape. Like now, if you check her face, here is narrow, here is narrow, her cheekbone is wider, so I'm going to contour this place so that it will be narrow. Depends on your face shape. If it's for a round face, I'm going to draw. I'll draw a picture for you. I will draw a picture for them so that you understand. It's not compulsory. So I'm going to draw a nose contour. That most of them are wearing nose contour, nose contour. I don't know what is nose contour. This is my powder palette. It has different shades. You can get a smaller one. It's not enough, you can get this one. If you want a smaller one, just send me again and I'll get the original one for you. So you can see she's fair. I'm going to use two shades darker than her color. So we are going to go with this one. Just to do her nose contour. To make it more narrow. See the brush I'm using. This brush. Just light by light, small. See if you're cooking soup, if you put small salt, you taste, check whether it's okay. That's how makeup is. You don't just pack everything like that. You blend. When you put, you blend. Blending the skin makeup. Blend. Now you take this your other brush. This brush, sorry for the tape. Children have done their job. This same powder now, this is dark chocolate. It's written on it. You just tap small and you put on her forehead. When you are blending, you blend towards the hairline like this. You don't blend just like this. You don't do like this. No, you don't do like this. You tap like this and you go this way towards the hairline. Anything you're doing, this way towards the hairline. Go this way. As you can see, the cheek is becoming narrow. Go this way. This her jawline, you also contour it. You can use cream contour, you can use powder contour. Me, I prefer to use powder contour. Cream contour as a beginner, it will be difficult for you. So it's prefer use powder contour for beginners like you. So guys, I use this color, this black. I mix it with this brown that's finished for this outer part. So I'm using this brush, any fluffy brush that you can get. This one. So I'm trying to create a very soft look. Maybe you are going for a wedding, or you're going to work, or a seminar, or business stuff, or you just want to create content and go even to church. So if you can publish a very soft look, just see the way I'm doing it. You blend in a circular motion, very light. Don't just blend. Everything about makeup is light-handed. You have to be light-handed. Just blend. Then you see this place, this dark place and this light place. Look for a color that you use to blend the two together. In this place now, blend the two together so that it won't give any harsh line. I'm taking this color now. It's just a little bit on the outer part where the dark color and the light color meets. Circular motion. Circular motion. The other way. So I'm going to do this with this one. This dark place and this light place, you put the color in between and blend. Circular motion. Remember to use a light hand, don't be too harsh. Just dip small and put. Let's say for example now you want to go for a wedding and you want your eyes to pop. Now as party stuff, you want your eyes to pop out. So you're going to need pigments. All these things I'm using, if you want to get them at affordable prices, you can send me a DM. They are not that expensive, they are very, very affordable. If you notice these two eyes now, you can see it's very natural, but if you notice this eye looks more brighter, the inner one, than this one. So I use this color, this one. So you just go back to it and pat it small so that it will pop out a little bit. Let's say for example you're going for a wedding. This is what we call pigments. There are different types. You have pigments and you have, this is pigment and this is glitter. I don't know if you can see, this is glitter. This is pigments. And this is pigments. Pigments are softer. Glitter, they are kind of, let me open so that you see the inside. The chunks are big. Why this one? The chunks are very, very smooth like powder. So we're going to use this for our eyes. So this is the pigment. I just put a little bit in this before, a little. I don't want it to pop out. So you tell your client to close her eyes, or if you're using your face, so they will see. Then if you want it to pop out small, this is what we call a glitter glue. It's written on it. Glitter glue. Use it with that pigment. You just take a little. Close your eyes. Just watch and see what I'm going to do now. Guys, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that glow on her eyes? This is if you are going for a wedding or a birthday party or a dinner party. If you are going to church, it's advisable you leave it in this eye. Just smiled. You can see the difference between this and this. This is giving that glow look. You see, all those glow look you used to see. This is how they get it. You apply your pigment. Let's do for this other eye. Just a little goes a long way. Makeup, you don't really need to pack too much. A little goes a long way. And you pat it again. So this is how you achieve. Look at that glue, guys. Can you see it? This is how you achieve an eyeshadow look for a wedding occasion or a birthday, or you're going out and you want to look, sparkling and all pink, this is how to achieve it. I love how natural this is. It's not too heavy. So next we're going to go with our mascara.